everyone. Today we are going to harvest the beetroot. Beetroot is packed with nutrients and it's a great source of fiber. It has magnesium, vitamin B, potassium, iron and vitamin C. I planted this about 3 months ago. As you can see, they have given me a very successful harvest. I just bought a punnet of beetroot seedlings from a local nursery and planted them, leaving some space in between them. I have already prepared my garden bed with organic compost. I make my own compost. I will teach you how to make your own compost in another video. It is super easy and fun. I have my little helper pulling out the beetroots for me today. See how big they are. I am super excited to see the big beetroots coming out of the ground. You know that the beetroot is ready when the root comes out of the ground and it has grown into a reasonably good size. As the soil is loose, it comes off very easily. See this one, it looks great. You can cook the beetroot in various ways and you can use the beetroot leaves in your cooking too. In this clip, I let it run in slow motion to show you how big and beautiful these beetroots are. It comes off the ground very easily. Apart from watering and weeding as usual, I can give you a little secret what I fed the plants with. It was fish emulsion from the local nursery. You put 1 cupful into a bucket of 9 liters of water and feed the plants every 2 weeks when they are young to get established. Fish emulsion is an organic fertilizer. So, you don't need to worry about any artificial chemicals poisoning these beetroots. See another beetroot coming up. There's plenty of beetroot for us and I'm going to share these with my friends living nearby. See this giant beetroot. You can have a good look here. Look at this one. How big and beautiful it is. I'm thrilled. This is the full harvest of the 1 punnet of the seedlings I bought. I'm very happy with the results. The other point is, beetroot and other vegetables are not that expensive to buy. But growing vegetables in my backyard is a hobby for me. It gives me an opportunity to get closer to the nature. I feel more happy and relaxed when I'm in the garden. I wanted to see the weight of these beetroots, but I didn't have a good weighing scale. I cannot put 1 whole beetroot with the leaves on this scale. It tips over. So I had to cut the leaves. These leaves are good in stir fries and salads. There are several ways to cook the leaves too. You hardly throw anything away from the beetroot except the real roots and the hardy stems of the leaves. Here you can see that this beetroot is about 400 grams. and this one is nearly 450. What I wanted to tell you is that if you still haven't started a small veggie patch, it's time to start now. If I can do this and get great results like this, anyone can do this. If I can inspire even one or two people to start their own vegetables, that'll be great and I'll be very happy. I have many years of gardening experience and I love to share them with you. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and please press the subscribe button. If you have any questions, suggestions or comments, please leave them below the video. I will get back to you. Thanks for watching and bye for now.